my channel, and today we're going to be doing, drum roll please, a jumbo slime kit.
OMG!
Because yesterday was my birthday and I loved it. Guys, I got this for my present, and Mom said we were going to do a video on it, and today's the day. And it has a variety pack of slimes and different colors and glitter and all that stuff you need to make slime. So we're going to open it and have a good time. You guys have to comment down below. Wow!
Gee! I didn't know it was like this.
I was like, did I open this right? This is like amazing. Fluffy!
These are really pretty.
So guys, we opened the box and look, it has a whole bunch of colors, the rainbow, pink, blue, purple. It's so pretty.
And there's also a bunch of these foam beads. There's rainbow, green, pink, yellow, and there's even a variety of these colors. And there's even glow in the dark powder. So it's gonna be really cool.
And guys, there's so much of glitter. So there is some silver, red, pink, green, blue, and gold. And there's a one that has lots of pink. This is my favorite one. These mermaid ones have blue and all types of colors. So pretty.
And there's also some
Fish beads.
And there's even a straw for some reason.
Mixing, I guess.
Oh yeah, mixing.
And these are for like cutting inside.
Okay, so guys, there are these instructions, and first, and I think the most important thing is how to mix the accessories. So with slime on a flat, clean surface, so it needs to be clean, and I think this table's pretty clean, and place accessories you want in the middle of the slime. Fold your slime edges over your slime accessories. Continue folding your slime over. Enjoy your slime creation.
So guys, let's get our material. And comment down below who has the best slime. I'm going to get this light blue with two colors. That's it. Two colors. Just two.
Yeah.
Two colors. That's it.
Where's the glow in the dark?
I'm going to make a cotton candy slime.
I'm going to make a mermaid slime. And I'm going to make like a fruit kind of popsicle-ish slime.
So
okay,
guys,
let's get started.
So let's get started.
Where are the scissors? Can you pass me the scissors?
Yeah.
Okay, this is going to be so fun.
This is going to be amazing, guys. And I got this like cotton candy pink. So I always like to play with the slime first, and it's so sticky. I love it.
It's sticky?
Yeah, it's kind of like sticky, stretchy.
First I'm going to play with that to make sure the consistency is all good and
it's amazing.
Oh gee, wow. This consistency is
And your
awesome.
parents will be happy because it's not sticky, that much sticky if you play with it a lot.
I love sticky and stretchy slime, so this is amazing. Okay.
Clean surface, and I'm going to be using glitter. Glitter, 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 glitter.
Maybe can I use the scissors in there? I'm going to add a little bit of the glow in the dark. This is round one. We might do other rounds because there's a lot of slime. So maybe we'll do another round.
No.
I want to do another round. This slime is amazing.
Pink glitter, pink glitter. Pink glitter is right here, and it feels amazing. See, it makes bubbles. Guys, I'm so happy my mom and dad got this for my birthday. I mixed in the pink glitter, and look.
Ooh.
I'm going to show y'all how it looks in a bubble. I didn't make one, but it does crack a lot.
These are
I'm opening my
slimes.
other slime.
And they're
might
clear,
want to
so
go
your
glitter
glitter will show very
Wait.
Ava's, I don't know, it's like clear and very, very pretty. Thank you.
I'm going to add a little bit of some blue beads into the pink.
This was a turquoise, but I feel like all the glitter in guys. So this is going to be very unicorny.
Galaxy.
I'm going to put my phone
So this one's going to be called Galaxy.
I'm not going to mix my two together. I'm just going to leave them separate and then I don't know.
Oh my gosh, this feels amazing.
I'm gonna put some fun.
We need to start doing this more often.
Yeah. Totally. Let's see. I'm gonna put these blue little fruit.
And guys, when we're done, comment down below who won.
But there will be more than one round, so make sure you do it after
That is
the
a
video
lot.
is done.
That is a lot.
To be making a mermaid sound,
Which I love mermaids.
Put it all in.
And girls, don't use all of the ingredients.
We won't. 'Cause we're
Never use all of the ingredients. 'Cause
Yeah.
this pack comes with 18 different slimes.
And we're gonna do another round. So if you do, that's gonna be kind of upsetting.
I love this slime.
Me too.
And everybody can make yours turn like a turquoise. Look at my
I'm gonna
slime.
put some watermelons. Actually, I'm just gonna put like
Wow!
This is how it turned out.
You are using too much. To use.
Is this one?
Guys, we are using a lot of glitter.
Glitter is a lot of glitter.
You can never have too much glitter.
These ones I think we're gonna save for the next round. So after you get your 2 glitters that you want, put them aside for the next round. Okay, my pink is turning out very baby kind of pink and dark. So I'm gonna add some fruit just like I did to the other one. That's pretty.
Look at this pretty dark pink.
OMG.
Wow, guys, yours turned out great. Look at mine.
My blue's more like.
And also, I'm going to use this empty bottle. I'm going to mix some glitters inside.
Wow. Yeah, you are a genius. I'm gonna add some the dark powder, just a little, because I don't know if it's gonna change the color. Excuse me, can I?
Yeah, don't want mine to change the color.
So I'm just gonna add a little.
Just a teeny tiny bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna use some. Please don't change the color of it. Some different glitter.
That's enough. That's enough. I want a little bit in mine. That's a little, just not a whole.
I think the blue one, for some reason, is more separated. And I love that about it. This one is still fun, but...
You can never have too much glow in the dark.
I guess. Yeah, I guess so. Wow.
I'm gonna use some too.
Okay, you can.
I want to see how this turns out at night.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit more because it doesn't really look like a popsicle as I was going for. So I'm gonna put it in my container and add a little bit more.
Now, so I'm gonna take off this glue off the table.
I'm gonna use some glow in the dark. Let's see. What else?
Not
I'm
a
gonna
whole lot
use
though. That's enough.
some of this.
That's enough.
I know it's like a mermaid thing.
That is enough.
For Ava's, but I'm
I'm gonna add a little bit of fruits.
okay.
A little bit.
Wow.
Not a lot.
Where's the other
I'm gonna be calling this Fruit to Galaxy.
Fruit Galaxy slime? The reason
If you need any help, ask your mom or your dad.
the reason
They
that
can
5 and
actually
under
help.
can't do it is because you know
There's small particles in here and they
and
can
powder and our baby sisters. They're very
What are you doing over there, Miss Scientist?
I'm doing the ASMR.
A what?
The ASMR.
What is that?
You be like hot and poke your slime.
She does not know.
She made that word up. And guys,
This is so fun.
I am done. So guys, I am going to be doing the fruit out of this world. It is amazing, and when you let it sit for a little bit, it's like a little fluffy. Guys, do you want to see me make a bubble? Watch. That was a fail, but it can make bubbles, and it's like really fun to play with.
It's very beautiful. You did a good job.
And I'm actually surprised that Mommy gave us slime because Ava accidentally got slime on my bed. But now I'm going to do the unicorn poo.
Unicorn poo?
Yeah, the unicorn poo. Or I could call it the unicorn hair. I put a little bit of fish beads in it. This one will make bubbles, but I think I might have to let it set first. Yeah, I have to let it set first, but it's amazing.
Okay, I'm gonna show you. I thought it was gonna turn out like a popsicle, but this one's more like a fruit. I'm just gonna call it a blue raspberry fruit soda. Okay, so I added these little dots. They kind of look like bubbles, and there's plenty of fruit. And this slime is very, very cool to play with. I'm gonna try and make a bubble. My sister's bubble didn't go so well, but I'm gonna try to make one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you my next one now. See, it's so beautiful. This is like a strawberry soda. I didn't add any beads, but you can see all the fruits. And I add some little purple flakes to both. This one's very pretty.
It's Ava's turn. And I'm gonna use, and I call this one the Pink Mermaid Tail. Because you know I love mermaids, and my slime is mermaid thing. So I add some pink foam balls, and I added some mermaid glitter.
That's very pretty.
And I add some blue fish beads. So
make a bubble with it.
I'm going to try to make a bubble, and I hope it works for me, not my sisters.
She's kind of winning at this point if she makes a bubble.
I almost did it. And I'm going to say this one is my favorite.
Okay. Now that one's very pretty. It's like an ocean.
Oh, it keeps Ow, it's a good stretch.
It's very beautiful.
It's fine if they pop out. It's just, you can't put too much.
Yes.
We learned that from slide videos because we watch a
We
lot.
watch a lot. Like Ellie and I, shout out to you guys. Your
You
videos
can't
are
put
awesome.
too much. I know that you met Elena and Clara.
Yeah.
Shout out to them. Before we move on, I think that y'all gonna ask, are me and Ava twins? We are not twins. We're like a few months apart. We look the same because I think that like we got it from our mom and our aunt.
Oh yeah.
Because they're twins. Ava's growing a little bit faster. Ava's 6 and I'm 8, but she's higher than me, taller. I mean.
What do you think about that, Ava? Do you think you and Maddie look alike?
No.
Mommy has 5 children. She will call Noelle Grace, Ava me, Taylor Gracie.
So
Comment below which one's your favorite. Unicorn hair,
or
out of this world,
blue raspberry soda or strawberry.
or tell them Team Maddie,
Team Taylor.
This is the name. Or Team Ava. The Blue Ocean.
Yeah. Come on, girls. See what you think.
Which one is your favorite?
Okay, which ones do you like the best? Which one do you like? You don't have to close your eyes. Which one do you like the best?
This one.
That one. Which one do you like the best, baby? That one? You
I
like
lost.
it?
You can play with it.
Play with it for a little bit. Yeah.
Guys, I lost the challenge, but I was still so happy that I got to make these slimes. Okay, bye guys!
See you next time.
See you next time. Hello, what do you think?
Which one do you think?